What a privilege being part of this extraordinary peer group and nominated to top 50 corporate startup stars by the International Center of Commerce and Mind the Bridge. Thank you so much for the invitation of Volkswagen Group to participate at this vibrant and iconic spot of the world. My name is Nikolai Ardey and I'm Executive Director of Group Innovation, the central innovation unit supporting all the brands of the Volkswagen Group, from heavy-duty trucks to upper sports car and everything in between. Open innovation means for us to act as a connected innovation network rather than to battle in competing secret activities. That applies for most to our own international footprint, having innovation centers all over the world at the most relevant innovation hotspots, from California to Europe, Israel, Singapore, China and Japan. Being out there, we widely open our interests to collaborate with startups, established entities, and academia, which help us to accelerate our transition to future mobility. If we succeed to transfer our common POC projects into scale, the win-win for both of us becomes obvious. And, if appropriate, we additionally provide equity invest to even accelerate that process. In other words, it's all about speed. And for that purpose, Group Innovation underwent a radical transformation from a highly confidential closed shop towards an agile co-innovation network during the most recent years. Looking into the mobility business is exposed to the most rapid transformation ever, with an open playground for many successful newcomers, benefiting from the speed of the tiny and free from any legacy. In this highly competitive environment, you have to improve every day. KPIs are the best means to keep the hunger for improvement awake. In that regard, we measure in 3 categories: portfolio quality, that is strategic fit for our brands; project quality, that is operational excellence; and, of course, innovation quality, that is rate of transfer to scale and speed to scale, number of patents and publications, and external ratings, such as the Corporate Startup Stars Award. The far future from roughly 2028 to 2050, by future research and trend scouting, we choose those topics which support our future business model to provide sustainable, fair and convenient mobility without any negative footprint and up to the future societal demands. That is, we are deeply into circular economy, negative emission technology, fair, sustainable supply chains, renewable energy supply, digital customer interface, autonomous drive, safety technologies, and all together, sustainable robots on wheels, providing the most desirable mobility experience either by service or by owned products. And besides that straightforward approach, we are stingy gold diggers looking for the next big thing apart, like for instance quantum computing. Advanced software and communication architectures, high-performance compute platforms, advanced semiconductors, silicon photonics, and renewable materials are key drivers for our current focus. We all are aware that global warming is one or the most effort-taking challenge ahead. However, the speed of decarbonization of our worldwide economy is far too low. Hence, looking into CO2 abatement measures or CO2 neutrality of our business is again far not enough. Negative emission technologies like direct air capturing, that is, removing the already emitted CO2 from the atmosphere, or to draw back the clock, are urgent topics of our interest, where the challenge is not only the technology itself, but rather it lies in the huge effort to be taken for scale up to an impactful level in terms of gigatons per year CO2. In that regard, again, collaboration and co-invest is key, since no endeavor would be capable to accomplish it by its own. Not to talk about the utilization of CO2 for sustainable fuels and other hydrocarbons, which again takes huge investment and effort. Whereas most of our external partners overpace us in terms of single deep tech innovations, our USP as an OEM is used to shine in system competency and the ability to create visionary mobility systems and concepts as a whole. Or in other words, we bring the multi-single raw diamonds to interact, to interfere, and to shine together in a perfectly designed jewelry, setting our customers into the best light.